Last time Tesla flashed this signal, basically it go up by 37 times. Do you want to get this opportunity this time? If yes, click like, subscribe, and share my channel. Hi, my name is YM. This channel is about the money mindset and money strategy. And today I'm going to give you one strategy called RSI strategy for Tesla. I have covered Tesla for some videos already, so you can watch back. And today I will mention you a bit more about how to use this strategy. Okay, so before we start, please note that we are the education channel. We don't advise people to buy or to sell any stock. To do any trade, please advise with your financial advisor or take the course first. Okay, so let's start. Now we look at the monthly chart. This is Tesla monthly chart. I've mentioned in one of my video, I will put the link here at the end of the video. When the RSI hit below 40, basically this is our bottom area, okay? So it's right before the bull one. And this happened in 2019 May, okay? At that time, it's around $11. RSI is around 37. So basically, let's see how this to here. With our strategy, we will sell in this candle. So basically it's around 37 times, around $414. Okay, we sell at around 414. So this is how many candles here? 32 candles, which is 32 months. So recently, which is in December 2022, we flashed the same RSI low signal here. So here is 38 RSI, okay? So it means this is also our bottom area. Okay, so now so far we have 6 candles. 6 candles compared to this, we have 32 candles here. So we are still in the beginning of the trend of the blue one, okay? So I want to show you here. So right now, some people ask me, oh wow, Tesla already go up a lot. The bottom, which is around 108, and now today is 206, so it's around 2.5 times. Okay, so is it too high the price already, or we have some opportunity later, or we have more risk? So what do you think? So from this, the peak to the bottom, basically we have 32 bars. From here to here, we have 32 bars. I just show you here, right? So from here to here. So when the RSI is at the bottom, this is our monthly chart for the long-term investor. So design at this candle is 32 bar, okay? So here. So we are now only on the 6th bar, which is 6 months only. One candle means 1 month, okay? So we still have a long way to go. And here you can see here now today is 54. So let's check. We have 6 bar, 6 months here. So when the last time from the bottom to around the same level of RSI, which is here, how many bar we have? So which is 6 bar. So 6 months. Now we are also 6 months. So basically it's the same scale, you see, from here to here, 6 months, from here to here, 6 months. So we still have a long way to go to the peak, okay? So now you can tell me, we have more opportunity or we have more risk? So you can tell me easily, right? So we still in the beginning of the bull market here for Tesla, I mean. So you still have, according to the chart, we seems like to have more opportunity than the risk, okay? This is just a pure fact from the chart. So you can see also here. So for the weekly chart, so some people, well, in my last video about Tesla, I mentioned we have hit the resistance point. We will have a pullback, okay? So why? This is a weekly chart. So we have already five candle going up. So of course we will have oversold signal, right? So we need to have a pull down, just like this one, pull down, okay? So we just need to wait for the opportunity. But in long term, we still in the low price, okay? But we just need to wait for the opportunity, okay? So in the future, if you buy in the correct price, I mean, you will look like a superhero, right? 32 times is a lot. Okay, so next, I want to show you is the daily chart. If you're a swing trader, okay, what can we do now? Okay, so the last time, well, check my video about RSI. I have mentioned a free class on YouTube that how do we trade with RSI, okay? So let's say we do, so when it's under 30 is our opportunity. We don't buy when the RSI right enter 30. We wait when they have a signal. The signal is here actually, okay? So here. So we saw this stock basically around here. So basically from 103 to 214. So it's almost a double. So which is really good return for 23 trading days, which is about 1 month. Okay. So another opportunity is here. Here when they hit 30 and they go up again. Okay. So this is around 40 bars, 40 trading days. This is daily chart. And we have from 153 to 260. Okay. Basically, we need to sell recently because the RSI just dropped below 70. Okay. So this is our risk. So if you are not long-term trader, if you want to maximum your ROI, your return, you will sell lately. Because I've mentioned many times, this is one of our big resistance here. But it doesn't mean we have a risk right now, right? So every single, when any strong trend, we will have a pullback for us to buy in, okay? But you need to understand this is an opportunity or this is a risk. So in my previous chart, I have mentioned you how to analyze this is opportunity or this is risk. So apparently now you can tell by the monthly chart, right? So it's very easy. So for the daily chart, we have for Tesla, it's just very easy. So you flash the RSI here when it's low point, you buy, you sell when the RSI is high point, okay? So I have some solid strategy for RSI, free buy and free sell, basically. So join my free webinar. And in my course, basically, I will mention how to buy and sell with different strategy. It's not just RSI, but RSI for Tesla is quite useful, I find. Okay, so this is my sharing today, and click like, subscribe, and share my webinar. I will have one webinar next week. If you cannot join, can join me the one after next week. So it's limited place, and I see you there. I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. See you. Bye bye.